Oh, ja, nach dem letzten Kampf sind wir alle ziemlich drunter und drüber und erledigen alles Mögliche. Und Shion hat offenbar ein paar Probleme.
Hey, Kisara. Have you noticed how Shion...
Seems to be grappling with something all by herself?
Yeah, she's been acting differently around us ever since we rescued her. The same towards Alphen, too. Now that Alphen's regained his memories and his sense of pain, maybe she's become more self-conscious that she still has her thorns. In which case, it makes sense that she'd be feeling out of sorts. But I can't help but think there's something else, too.
You're wondering if there's anything you can do to help her.
Shion said something to me once. Something that helped me move forward. So I'd like to return the favor and do that for her, too. The only problem is, even if I did have the chance to talk to her, I don't know what I could say that would help.
Shion's dealing with a lot right now. Maybe more than she can handle. Trying to unravel the threads of her own worries? That's challenge enough itself. Not to mention that trying to wade in blindly would probably end up making things even worse than they already are.
But how do we help her then?
For the time being, I think all we can do is be patient and keep an eye on her. That way, when she's finally ready to let us in, we'll be right there to lend her a shoulder.
I hope you're right.
Das hoffen wir alle. So, weiter geht's, Freunde. Wir müssen zu Volran und ihn platt machen. Und hier ist kein Händler. Was für eine Scheiße. Goldenes Gelee, ich habe Angst. Omega Alex, ich habe noch mehr Angst. K15 kann man einmal ganz kurz, ein bisschen zumindest. Und hier können wir noch irgendwas Neues haben für die ganze Truppe. Neu mit dem Flammenschwert, natürlich nicht schlecht. So. Überlimit-Verlängerung. Sehr gut. So. Wir müssen die Passiven auch ein bisschen erhöhen. Oh, die war teuer. So. Dachgeschosskorridor. Ja gut, so soll das jetzt zu Ende, ja. Also wenn wir jetzt zum Kampf gegen Volran kommen. Okay, da kann man nochmal heilen, sehr gut. Der Wasserlord. Würde man sagen, mal kurz anhören.
So if Volran is the lord of the water realm, then it's probably safe to say he has some water abilities tucked up his sleeve.
He and Alphen couldn't be any more different. It's like they were practically born to be rivals.
Looking back on it, in both of our previous encounters, he's only ever fought us with his sword. We haven't seen what else he's capable of.
And yet, even with only his blade, he still managed to overwhelm us. He's a force to be reckoned with. That much is certain.
Yeah, that guy is seriously bad news.
It'll be okay, Hootle. We'll get through this.
Shion?
It's nothing. Let's keep moving.
Let's keep moving, moving, moving. Moving, moving, moving. Moving! So. Also. Hier kann ich, nehmen wir jetzt mal an, hier nichts machen. So kann ich... Schade, man könnte eigentlich mal irgendwie hier da durch oder so. Die Karte geht ja auch weiter. Das ist irgendwie ein bisschen seltsam. Wenn es nur Deko wäre, Na gut, vielleicht kann man später durch. Eine Wasserlord besiegt ist quasi, dass dann plötzlich das Wasser hier aufhört. Warum auch immer. Also, ich habe getan momentan, was irgendwie möglich ist. Speichern nochmal ganz kurz. Dann, Freunde, stellen wir uns Woolrun und machen ihn hoffentlich platt. Vom Level her, es könnte höher sein, könnte aber auch schlimmer sein. Let's do it.
This area is the grandest looking of the lot, and not a single soldier in sight.
So probably the place. This is it, everyone. We can't let Voron treat people's lives like toys any longer. We need to put an end to his tyranny here and now. Everyone ready?
Ready.
We've come this far.
Without question.
I'm nervous, but I know what needs to be done.
Jetzt wird's ernst. Na gut, Zeit totschlagen. Moment, ich muss mal erst fertig machen. Was? Zeit loszulegen. Ich hatte zuerst Zeit totschlagen gelesen, ganz ehrlich. Moment, ich muss mal erst fertig machen. Zeit loszulegen, so.
We've come for you, Volron! Did you really come all this way, just so I could take you back over his dead body?
Bastard!
He dismissed them?
He must not think he needs them to defeat us.
Why have you been coming after me? Isn't it your ambition to become the winner of the crown contest? My ambition, you say? I have no ambitions. Since the beginning, everything was mine to control. Everything, including your life. I'm happy to see you. What the hell's that supposed to mean? A lonely watery grave is all the burial you shall ever deserve. And yet, it wasn't without regret that I watched you sink beneath those waves. Now, I get to savor carving the life of your body myself. So all this, kidnapping Shield, sacrificing those people, it was all just for your own sick satisfaction? To help pass the time? I would not expect you to understand the tedium that absolute power lays upon you. I've had it with your mad ramblings. I'm here to take you down, Volron, and free those you've enslaved! Very well. I shall look forward to fashioning my throne from the remains of your existence. Today you will die at my hand, and I shall bask in your final desperate pleas. Well, I look forward to disappointing you. The flame inside me yearns to be let free. Enjoy. This is over.
Am Kampfstil erinnere mich irgendwie ein bisschen an Sephiroth, kann das sein? Also zumindest aus Kingdom Hearts 1 und 2.
No further. Hurricane Savage Roar.
Also bisher ist noch nicht so beeindruckend. Ich komme nicht durch, scheiße. Oh oh. Hey, gegen Normalo-Gegner kann ich irgendwie nicht aussagen, bei ihm schaffe ich es problemlos. Ja gut, sein Kampfstil kommt irgendwie auch vertraut vor, sag ich jetzt mal. Shione, kannst du mich bitte mal heilen? Dankeschön. Okay, das war jetzt knapp, weil da wir gar nicht kommen sind, dass er die Tasten kommen drücken muss. Er wirkt wirklich ein bisschen wie Sephiroth, wa? Okay, das klappt zumindest immer. Hä? Du bist derjenige, der fast tot ist, nicht wir. Oh, scheiße. Ja, wir sollen ihn ja aufhalten. Hallo? Da weiche lieber aus, ganz ehrlich. Meine ist noch nicht aktiv. Hä? Ich kann sogar damit nicht unterbrechen. Alter! Also kann man natürlich täuschen, aber... Ist der Kampf gegen ihn einfacher als gegen die anderen Typen? Also vor allem gegen die ganzen Wachen und Zwischenbossmonster und so. Ich meine, er haut ziemlich rein, aber ansonsten... Das ist eher ein bisschen lame, was er momentan zu bieten hat. Oh, Shione ist bald down. Nochmal irgendwas. Das war knapp, ey. Er ist auch scheiße schnell.
Now this is enjoyable.
Scheiß Wasserattacken, okay, hau ab, tschüss. Hier bin ich, Wolverine, hier bin ich.
Now are you ready to entertain me? Don't disappoint me by dying. Stay away from my friend.
Also ganz ehrlich, der Auswanderer hat jetzt gar keine Probleme mit. Da muss irgendwas kommen. Wir können es stoppen. Scheiße, und weg. Geht schlechter, schwächt. Ja, komm, ne, also, das ist nie.
It's all over. Vol Run. Now put an end to that death procession you're holding outside. Right now! You think this is over? What? Who do you think you are?
No, that's...
How can this be? If Alpin's the sovereign, how is it possible that Volron has that crest as well?
And if Volron's the sovereign, then what was the point of the crown contest?
After everything we've witnessed, it would seem the whole thing is a ruse.
Bow before your sovereign.
Ich muss das aber noch nicht den ganzen Kampf.
How sweet your ignorance must be. You resent not being the
Da geht die ganze Scheiße nochmal von vorne los.
only sovereign.
Wir haben noch ein paar.
You're after me, isn't it? There is that, I'll admit. But your grandest sin was unveiling your strength. Sin? You use people as playthings. What right have you to speak of sin? Sin is the powerful care only for domination.
Warte mal, wenn er auch ein Herrscher ist, so wie Elfen, ist er auch der näher? Da näher? Nee, oder? Ups, scheiße. Weil er ist so schnell unterwegs.
I'm through taking orders from tyrants.
Ich will kaum Schaden mehr machen. Was ist das für ein Scheiß? Ja, zielen kannst du auch, oder?
You may be strong, but I'll never back down. I owe you one.
Wieso bin ich paralysiert? Wovon überhaupt?
Take this.
I owe you one for that.
Eat this. Here I come.
Can't get out of this.
Orochi's fury.
Enough.
Soaring rocket. Searing gale.
Alter, wir kaum Schaden machen. Ich glaube das nicht. So, warte mal, dann machen wir jetzt mal Anna Gelee.
Appreciate the help.
Prepare to be seized. No further. I will show you. Not today.
Kann man ein Viertel runter, ey. Ich meine, der Herrscher, die machen ein bisschen Damage.
Appreciate the help.
Der Herrscher, die haut richtig rein.
Nothing gets by me.
Unleash lightning.
Far enough. That time's fine.
Now or never. Can't get out of this.
This one's mine.
Ready and well. You picked the wrong fight.
Fuck, er ist weg.
Before me. I can carve through.
Look sharp. Do it. I'll stop your movement.
And I'll stop your life. Ja, schön wär's.
It's over. Now before your sovereign. Blew away. Ready to fly. Eagle away. Your life will
Was kommt jetzt für ein scheiß Ding?
He's about to attack. Damn it. We need to stop him.
Achso.
Proof of all others shall be banished. Prepare to be seized. Try harder. I'll tear you apart.
Could this be the true power of the sovereign?
What is this?
Scheiße. So hatte das eigentlich nicht gedacht. Was? Achso, wir leben noch alle. Okay, dann aber ganz schnell. Wo haben wir's? Ah, bei allen. Machen wir erstmal den hier, komm. Bitte fast alle down. Schmankerl nochmal.
Show you true power. Try harder. The flame inside me yearns to be let free.
Mine. Igneous charge.
Gib's ihm, Lord! Zeig's ihm!
Reflexes! Tenebrous Claw! Now when all good things come to
I
me.
shall be the ruler of all
In a vine.
things.
Eat this! Going in!
Oh, nicht wirklich scheiße. Schnell ist er, aber gegen mich braucht er ein bisschen mehr. Oh oh. Eingefroren, eingefroren, nicht gut.
Appreciate the help.
Your life will end here.
No further! Anything in armor is worth. Now I'm armor won't save you!
Run!
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished.
So, jetzt aber. Meine Fresse.
Come on now. What do you think you can do?
This guy's still standing?
Victory, the throne, everything finally belongs to me. I have legions of ours who rules over and crushes those who fall at his feet. You are next.
Is it over?
Yeah, I think so. There. We finally collected all of the Master Cores. So what do we do now?
It is said that bringing all the Master Cores together in one place should form the Renaissalma.
So, now we put Xian's with the rest.
With that, we can finally free her of her thorns.
Xian. What's going on? Are we missing something?
We can't be. So why isn't it?
Alphen! Behind you!
What? Xion, are you the maiden?
What is this? Why is this happening?
What the? The Master Cores!
Is that darkness? A Dark Master Core?
Renis Alma!
The Renis Alma. It's here.
What's going on? The Renis Alma's only supposed to consist of the 5 Danon elements.
Just what do you think you're doing?
She disappeared?
What in the world just happened?
Is it over? No. It's only just begun.